Hey guys.
Hi.
It's Tate
and Kameryn.
We're here with your junior theme for this week. If you didn't already know, this week is nature themed. So what we're going to be doing for this theme, and it's actually the same as the seniors, is we're going to be planting things. So there are actually instructions on the back of your little cup. But so from your kit, you're going to need your little cup with the lid on it, and there should be a seed and like a little wafer of dirt in it. And then there are two like little pamphlet flyer things and a ruler, a paper one. You're also going to need some water and scissors. So, like I said, the instructions are on the back. So if you're wondering how to do this still after watching the video, they do give pretty thorough instructions on the cup. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your lid off. You're going to take out your seed. Make sure you know where that is. Make sure you know where this seed, where it goes. And so around your little dirt thing, there should be a little
like a net kind of.
It's like a little, yeah, just holding the dirt together. So you're gonna want to
just like gently poke it.
Yeah, gently like poke it to try and pry up a little piece of it, and then pull the like netting off. And you should probably do this over pull the netting off over the cup, just so anything that falls off goes into the cup. So then you can put that aside. You're not going to need it. And then you put your little dirt wafer in the cup. And what you're going to do is you're going to fill the cup about halfway with water. And you're going to wait a few minutes for it to expand. So we'll be back in a few minutes. But for you, it'll just be a few seconds. And we're back. Okay, so we did this off camera, but so what it says on the back is to place the seed in the soil before you drain the water out. But once we let it expand, and we used a popsicle stick, but you might want to help it along by just breaking it apart a little bit with a popsicle stick, a spoon, whatever you got. Doesn't really matter. But so we'll place the seed in now, but I would recommend getting the water out first. So how you do that is at the bottom, a cup that hasn't been used. At the bottom of your cup, you'll see this like perforation line. I don't think they can see it.
You'll see it when you get your cup.
But yeah, there's a line of like perforation so you can press on it and basically open it. So what you want to do,
it'll have like a crack in the bottom then.
Yeah, so you want to have a crack in the bottom so that it drains, so that most of the water drains out, so you're kind of left with like a mud consistency kind of thing. I don't want to lift this up too much because it is wet, but like a little muddy. And you're probably going to want to do that over the sink. So just kind of take your cup and on the bottom, press upwards until you get an actual... It'll start to drip like once you like kind of once you start to push on it, but I would recommend actually breaking it open and then leaving it in the sink for a minute to drain out most of the water. Some of the dirt will come with it, but you're not going to need all of that dirt to begin with. But so you'll be left with this like mud, which is still pretty watery, but what you're going to do is you're going to leave it on the lid. So there's like these little prongs on the side of the lid as well. You're going to put the bottom of them over those so that it doesn't move anywhere and is on the lid. And then the water will drain into the little
rim outside.
Yeah, the rim outside the lid. So then what you're going to do is this is when you're going to take your seed. Got a seed here. You're going to put it in, and it says on the cup that you want it about 1 centimeter deep. So you're going to then you can use your finger or you can use whatever spoon or something. You're going to want to push it into the dirt a little bit and then just kind of pull some of the dirt back over it. Basically so you just can't see it, but you know that there's a good chunk of dirt above it. It's not too important. You don't have to measure it or anything for sure. And so then what you're going to do is you're going to Place it somewhere sunny. You can place it outside, or you can place it in like a sunny window, and you just watch it grow. So there are these like pamphlet things in your kit. So this should help. These should help you figure out what you're growing and kind of what that plant is about. So you'll either have a soybean or plant or wheat. Yeah, so you basically watch it, and there are some things you can fill out, like based on like each day kind of thing after you plant it, but you don't have to do that. You can just plant it, and then it probably won't be, it'll probably be wet for a few days, so don't water it until it looks dry again, because if you keep watering it every day when it doesn't need it, it'll just kind of flood the plant, and that's not really good for it either. So you leave it like that, and then once you see that it's dry, add a little bit of water so that it's kind of moist, and then keep doing that. And then check it every day to see if it's dry. And if it's not like fairly dry, don't add any water in it. And yeah, you can measure it with the ruler you got as well, and you can keep track of how tall it's getting every day. You can take a picture of it every day if you wanted to do that. Whatever you feel like doing. And so we've already made some. We made some, I think, last week, Kameryn, if you want to pass them over.
We did these ones.
So we did these. This is what a soybean will look like, and this is what
wheat would look
like. Yeah. So little plant, guys.
Pretty cool.
And before we forget, this week's Beanstack code is branch. So that's BRANCH. And you can put that into your Beanstack account to get the little badge or sticker for the week 6 junior STEAM. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully we'll see you at trivia tomorrow. If not, hopefully Thursday for the live Zoom and craft. And we'll catch you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.